Technovation is my favorite, and it's like a very highlight in my career as well. So
we're so proud to, be a part of it because we do think it's just, the best, kind of opportunity for girls in the world.
It's such a rewarding experience. I've been with this program for 7 years now, and it really changed my life.
I got introduced to Technovation from a colleague at the U.S. Embassy in Tirana, Albania. She said that there is this program about girls and coding and tackling problems into their societies. I think it's going to be great to host it in one of our American spaces.
American spaces come very handy. It's a perfect place where they can experiment.
It's a space for teams to meet. It's a place to, offer opportunities. And especially for a lot of our girls, it's the best place for them to get internet.
I think Technovation program has the best curriculum, and it's free. It's the beauty of it that it's free. It's available online. You don't have to hire someone to develop a curriculum for you.
I think the girls realized, and the parents as well, realized that this is the future. I had parents who were driving their daughters an hour or 2 hours, Technovation Club, we would call it, and then they would drive them back for 2 hours.
The rewards you'll get at the end of the season, it will blow your mind. The girls that are participating now, they have a vastly different view of what their potential is. They're now exposed to so many different things that they just never would have thought of possible for them. What we've seen now is a lot of those girls that were in that first year, they're all student ambassadors. The ones that have gone off to college, they're now mentors, coming back.
It changed their life, it changed our lives.